In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add calculator to your control center on iPhone. Adding a calculator to the control center on an iPhone is important for convenience and efficiency, as it provides quick access to a frequently used tool without the need to search for the app. To enable it, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, tap on the option of Control Center right here. To add any feature to your iPhone control center, simply scroll through and tap on the Add button. To remove any feature, just tap on the minus button. As you can see, my calculator is already added, so it will appear with a minus icon. If yours isn't added, it will also be in this section. That's how easy it is to add calculator to your control center on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.